Alright, so let's get our Tuttio iCT user manual and let's go over the settings after replacing your motor or your ESC or even both. So let's turn it back on. Let's hold the plus sign and the minus sign down for about 3 seconds, 2 seconds. The first one, that's your brightness. That's P01 setting. And P01 you can set from 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll set mine for 2. I'll move on by pushing the power button. And this is P02 setting, distance units. It should be set at 0, 1. Now let's go to the next step, P03. P03 should be 60. That is your voltage setting, 60. P04 should be 0. P04 should be 0. That's your sleep. P05, your pedal assist gear, 0 through 5. So let's set that to 0, 1. Let's move on. P06, compute value should be set at 20. So let's put that at 20. Let's go to P07. Speed measure, 0, 1. Let's go on to P08. P08 is your speed limit in miles. You set that to 63. Your speed limit in kilometers, you'll set it to 100. Let's go on to P09. Your throttle 0 star, set it to 0. Let's go on to P10. Drive mode setting should be at 02. Set it at 02. P11, pedal assist sensitivity should be 01. Set it to 01. P12 should be a pedal assist strength, should be 5. Set it to 05, 0005. Move on to P13. P13 is types of pedal assist sensor. Magnetic steel should be 05. The magnetic sensor, I'm not sure. So it says to set it to default 05, but when I go through the options, I only get 06, 08, 12, and back to 06. So let's set it closest to 06 for now. Pedal assist sensor, magnetic steel. Pedal assist sensor, magnetic steel. I think that's the strength. I'm gonna set it for 12, and then if I come back and something wrong with it, I'm gonna set it for 6. This is the closest to 05. So let's go to 12. Since that's the strongest, let's move on to P14. Controller current limit value should be set to 20. So set that to 20. Move on to P15. P15 should be 50. So set that to 50. Move on to P16. P16 should be, where we at? 00. P16 should be, wait, no. Leave P16 as it is. That's your number of miles that you have on there currently when you upgraded the motor or the ESC or even both. So we'll keep P16 as it is. Let's go back into our settings by holding the plus sign and minus sign down at the same time. Let's put back to, let's go to P17. We almost finished. P17. P17 should automatic cruise should be set as 0. Okay. P18 speed ratio set it to 100. P19 0 gear enable bit should be 0. Keep it as 0. Alright, that's it. Now press that to save everything. The screen to change in about 5 seconds. And you completed your settings. But remember on P13 that my bike gave me 06, 08, and 12. Right now I have it on P13 12. But we can go back in there and change our P13 at any time while we're riding it to see how it feels. So P13 can be 6, 8, or 12. That's it. This is for your Tuttio iCT.